Hi, it's me.
I'm alive and I didn't even film uh, an opening for this video because this is actually the continuous video from the last video, and it would be too long, like 15 minutes video. Who could care for so long video? No. So I chop it, and now we have a little bit shorter video, and I don't have an opening, so here it is. Hi, I'm alive and I'm back on track. Now things are happening in the house. No, yeah, actually it happens a lot of things, but wait for the next video and keep watching. So when that is done, we're gonna repot this beautiful baby. Isn't it pretty? So, pot. And for this one I need or want drainage at the bottom. So I take a cat sand, which is clay. Oh, that was a little bit too much. Now let me reduce. A little bit of clay inside. And now I have to redirect you down. Oh, I need a cameraman. How do I do that? So. If you have any tips how to take care of ADENIUM, or however you call that, pretty baby, so please let me know. I will clear this one up from the soil. Oh gosh, I love the roots. This is so pretty. Oh. Hello. Still a little distraction. I'm sitting here and editing my videos, which I filmed a few weeks ago or a few days ago, and because I'm trying to post every Sunday. But what is happening is in this video my battery died and I didn't have extra battery, so I had to use my phone, and my boyfriend was filming it. So if the quality changed in the sound and everything, I'm really sorry, but let's go back to the video. Huh? So I added a little bit more of cat sand, clay cat sand, non-clumping sand, and just fill it up after I clean the roots and everything. So let's hold this baby. So as I said, I have no idea how to care for this particular plant, so please let me know what I'm doing or what I should do maybe. So I will not kill this plant. And just for aesthetics, I will add more of cat sand. I think it matches the pot perfectly, like this. So, Oh, jeez. What do you think? Is it nice? What should I do? Does it like sunny spot, shady spot? I don't know. You tell me. And I will also read on the internet. For now I will put here beside the chilies. No, actually not. I will put it here because we will have morning sun and little bit of more light, right? Now I'm dirty. And thank you. Bye.